Hello, welcome once again. Our next topic is on a Moodle. So Moodle, maybe many of them aware about Moodle. What is a Moodle? If you are using in your school or colleges in the teaching and learning process, you can do lots of things in the Moodle. So what is Moodle? And I will tell you what is Moodle, how we can going to install it, how we can do configure, and how we can use it in the teaching and learning process. So if you want to install a Moodle, you have to go into the Google and just write Moodle. Okay, if you have to write a Moodle, you can find out the first link, a Moodle. So what is Moodle? It's an open source learning platform. Okay, if you have to open this, you'll find out this particular page. So this is about a Moodle. So what they are providing, the downloads, whatever the latest releases available, the demo sites, the plugins, so many things you can find out here, the latest events, the resources they are having. So from this particular moodle.org link, you can get it all the resources which you want for the Moodle. Okay, so we see what is Moodle. See, what is Moodle? So Moodle is a learning platform designed to provide educators, administrators, and the learners with a single, robust, secure, and integrated system to create a personalized learning environments. Okay, so this is about Moodle. You can download the software, you can install it on your server, on your own web server, or you can hire any provider, so they will install it for you and you can use it Moodle in your education. So Moodle is built by the Moodle project, which is led and coordinated by Moodle headquarters, which is financially supported by the network of over 80 Moodle partner services companies worldwide. So you can find out the information, some of the little bit information about Moodle. So what they are providing, what are the usage are there. Actually, it is a freeware community based that you can use it in your organization. So which is the latest release? The latest release now is it is a Moodle 3.8.3 plus. Okay, so this is the latest release. You can download it and you can configure it in your organization. If you want to go into the earlier releases, you can go into earlier releases also. You can find out in the release section. So you'll get an earlier release also. Moodle app also is available in the Play Store, so you can use it a Moodle app also. So suppose you have installed your Moodle and you did a configured and you have given some assignments, you have given one quiz, something, whatever the resources you are given, so the students can solve these quizzes or whatever the materials you have given them. They are available on the your platforms also. So Moodle is available in the iOS as well as in the Android. Okay, on the both the platforms you can install it on your mobile phones, the Moodle app, and you can easily do these things. Means you can get it all the resources which is shared by the teacher, your instructors. You can solve with the puzzles, quizzes, whatever your instructor or the teachers given to you. So there are a lot of things you can do it by using a Moodle. So this app also available in the Play Store and the App Store. So you can download it from there and you can use it. So Moodle having plugins also. So you can use it to different Moodle themes which is available, which is predefined. The communities they have developed these themes that you can use it in your organization. So many other plugins are there that I will tell you one by one. So these are some plugins which is available under the plugin section, under the download section. So you can use this. See, right now 1689 plugins are there, total 949 devs are there, and recent downloads 643.6k. so this is the recent downloads are there, the plugin downloads. See, if you can go with the demo site is also available. If you want to check on the Moodle, you can find out the demo sites also here. If you want to go downside, you can see some demo options are also mentioned. It is a demo. So here it is school and sandbox demo. If you click on the demo section, you will find out this demo. Okay, so this is a front UI of Moodle. Here you can find out some information about your school. You can edit a banner or about information or whatever the information you want to share with them, the courses which is available, the categories, all this kind of information you can showcase on the front page. Here one login option is there. If you have to click on the login option, you will enter into the Moodle page. See here by default, if you want to, this is a demo site. Okay, if you want to log in with a student, so they have given the credentials, the username is the students and password is the Moodle. For the teacher, username is a teacher, password is a Moodle. For manager, the username is a manager, password is a Moodle. For parent and for the privacy officer, so all accounts are here given. Just you try to log in and check what kind of functionality is present. Suppose I will log in with a student, so I will write a user student and password they have mentioned it is a Moodle. Okay, and I will just log in. Otherwise you can log in as a guest also. Okay, but guest have some limited functionalities present, so I will log in with the credential which is given. I want to log in with the students. Just click on login. So here you can see this is a particular student and this student is enrolled these of the courses. Okay, so this particular student, okay, if he has enrolled in any courses, so these courses are listed out here. Okay, so these are some courses which is listed. So his particular student is enrolled in this course. Okay, if you want to click any of the course, for example I will click this digital literacy. This is one of the course which he has enrolled for that. If you have to open this particular course, you can find out the resource material which is available for that course is displayed here. Okay, so these are some resources which is available for that particular course for this particular student. So see here you can find out many of the resources are available, like videos, you can upload PDFs, this is forum, this is one kind of documentary material which is available, PDF, so many things are there that you can upload it as a course material for this particular student. So these assignments you can give it to the students, the workshops that you have to share with the details, the quizzes which is available for the student. There's a feedback, you can take it a feedback also when this particular assignment or quiz is completed and you want to take a feedback for that particular course, so you can take it feedback also. Okay, so the feedback is available as a response to you and accordingly you can analyze this particular student and this particular course. Okay, the instructors. So this is about this particular demo account. So we're going to log out and now I will show you the actual how we can do it. Okay, so if you want to install a Moodle, you need a Moodle release. Okay, so what I will do, I will go into the Moodle platform. So this is the latest release. So if you want to install in your particular campus, in your organization, you need a Moodle source code, that your particular file. So from here you can download this particular file and you can install it on your server. You need one server in your organization that you can make it any computer as a server and you can install any server like WAMP or something which are the operating system is there. If it is a operating system is a Windows, then you can install it WAMP or SAM, and on that particular server you can just place this particular file, this folder inside the www folder. Okay, but this is to the local only, intranet. This will work in intranet in your local organization. If you want to go beyond of that, means if you want to know that it will work on internet, then you need to purchase one domain, then you have to purchase one hosting panel, hosting account, and on that hosting account you have to install your Moodle, and then you will get it, this particular whatever the resources you are sharing, then you will get it from anywhere, means not in a local organization, If you are in a home also, you can access all these resources, even though you can use it a Android application also. Okay, so if you want to do, you can go with this particular platform. Like you can purchase a domain name, you can purchase a hosting panel, and there you can install it. Okay, so after successfully installment, when you successfully install this particular application, see, you will see this kind of a platform. This is a fresh installation. Okay, so here you can see this is the front side. Still I haven't did anything. Okay, I haven't configured. So this is a fresh installation. Now I want to configure. So how I can configure? Just click on the login button. So when you click on the login button, you need to mention a by default username and a password which you have given when you are going to install this particular Moodle platform. Okay, so at that time they are asking about credentials. So you have given this administrator credentials. So these credentials you have to mention it here. So this is my username, this is my password. So I will log in with that. So here you can see this is a fresh installation. Here you can't see anything. There is no any courses, there is no any categories, nothing is here. No any users are also enrolled. Okay, so we'll create a one by one. So how to apply any themes onto this particular model. See, like this way, you can see. Now we'll see how to create or how to apply the themes. Okay, see, if you can see, you can click on a site administration. So we'll find out the configuration settings here. There are many configuration settings available. See, you can see the site administration settings: users, courses, grades, plugins, appearance, server, reports, development. These are the tabs. So you can configure first. Okay, so initially you need to configure everything. So first, for example, I want to apply a theme. So where we can apply a theme? Go into the appearance tab, and here you can find out the themes. So here theme selector is there. Right now here only two themes are there, the boost and the classic. If you have to click on theme selector, you can find out the themes available for web, for legacy, for mobile, and for tablet. You can use it different themes. Okay, so for example, if it is a default theme and this is a boost theme that I want to change, so here you can click on a change theme. So here right now only two themes are present. One is a boost and another one is a classic. And what right now we are using is a boost theme. Okay, but I want some different themes. Okay, so from where I need to collect this, where I need to configure these themes? First you need to download these themes. From where I need to download? You have to go into the Moodle plugins directory. Okay, so in the plugins directory you can find out there are so many templates are available. See, if you have to click on themes, you can choose on a theme. See, here so many plugins are there, like activity module, admin tool, antivirus plugin is there, block, cache store, course format, data format. There are many plugins are there, but what right now you want a theme. Okay, so if you want to choose a theme, so you can see this themes are present for you. Okay, so whichever you like it, which is relevant to your organization, that you have to download it and you can configure it. Okay, so I have downloaded one theme that is in a class, which is a good theme for the any school and the colleges, because here we can add sliders also. The course format is a good form. In the good format we can say some images we can upload, we can give some information. Okay, so means we can say GUI is good for this particular theme class. Okay, so if I want to need a class, then I will click on a class and I need to download it. Okay, so this is a theme class. You can find out the information about the theme class. So what is the theme class, what are the releases are there, what are the updates are there, when they have did the update, everything. The screenshots are also present, how the themes looks like. Okay, everything is mentioned here, whatever the awards. See, now if you can check it, they have received the awards also. Some comments are there. See, if you can go, once you can check all the things related to this particular theme class. Okay, if you need to download it, you can download it from here, but before that you can check the Moodle you have downloaded, the Moodle you have installed, you have configured the release version of that Moodle, because this particular theme class, if you have to download this release, this is the release for the 3.8 Moodle 3.8, and if the Moodle you have configured, the version of that Moodle is not a 3.8, so it's not going to configure it. So if you want to need earlier versions, so you can click on versions. So if you want to click on versions, so you will find out the earlier versions, means you can download it earlier versions from here. Okay, so which version, the Moodle version you have did configured, you have installed, so accordingly you can download this particular theme class version. Okay, so when you are going to download it, now we need to install it. Okay, so how we are going to install it? Again, here go to site administration. When you go on a site administration, when you will click on the site administration, you will find out this. So here I need to go to the plugins section, so I will click on a plugin section, and here I will click on a install plugin. So I will click on install plugin. Here I need to provide the plugin which I have downloaded, otherwise you can directly search from this Moodle plugin directory, and from there directly there itself you can install it. So I have downloaded plugin, a zip file, so I will install it from there. So I have a zip package, so I will choose a file. I need to upload a file. I will browse it. So this file is present in my download section, so I will go into the download section, and this particular plugin is a theme class. Okay, you have to just open it. So this is my theme class Moodle plugin. Okay, so now click on upload this file. Okay, now this file is uploaded. Now we will install this plugin. So install plugin from the zip file. So install plugin from zip file. So it is validated, the theme class, it is okay, it is matches, validation successful, installation can continue, because it need to check whether your release and that Moodle theme class release are the same. So it will going to install this plugin. See, now it checks all those. See, everything is okay, so no need to worry. I will click on continue. If you will find out any error, then it's not going to install this plugin. So I'll click on continue, so it will install this plugin. Okay, this plugin is installed. Now I want to upgrade the Moodle database, so you can click on upgrade Moodle database now. So it's upgraded. Click on continue. See, this is a new settings for the class theme. So here you can add your logo, your theme class logo. You can mention it a title, description. Suppose if you have any logo, you can add it here. Right now I don't have any logo, so I'm not going to upload it. Who we are, you can write it who we are, some sentences about who we are. The footer logo, you can mention it. Slideshow display, if you are showing a slideshow as the slider, then you can make it as a yes, and how many slides you want to display. So it is a 3 slides you want to display. Okay, so footer logo, so footer note, you can mention it, and here is info links. This is the copyright information. You have to mention it, the copyright information. You have to mention it, your school address, college address, your email, your phone number, your social logins, your social URL, sorry, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, Google Plus. So all these things you can just save it here. What I will do, I will just it's not a logo, but I will add one image there. So maybe it's on a desktop, so I will do one image, open it and upload this file. It's not a logo. Logo should be having some dimensions. Okay, so this is save changes. So these changes will be going to save. Okay, now you can see we have successfully installed this theme. We'll check it again. We'll go site administration. Here it is appearance, and go to the themes. So you can see here the class theme is successfully we have added. See, initially it was only 2, boost and classic, and now it is a class. If you want to go into theme selector, if you want a class theme, so go here and click on a change theme. If you have to click on a change theme, so from here you can change the theme. See, right now you can see this is a class theme. If you have to click on use this theme, so this theme will be applied to your Moodle. All the settings, whatever the settings you have configured, this is applied to this particular Moodle. Okay, right now I don't want to apply these things. So next I will go with the, again I will click on a site administration. So this is about a theme that you have to apply this theme to your Moodle. Next thing is the server, the courses and the categories. Okay, the most important thing that we want to add it here, the courses and the categories. So how we will configure, we'll see.